No, I'm just starving now because of I didn't, have breakfast in the morning, and I didn't even sip any, sip of water since morning, and now it's 2 p.m. already. This is why I feel so tired, and now I am waiting for stopping the rain, and you can see I am, taking shelter under the flyover, you know for not getting wet. You can see the more people behind me, and they are taking shelter as well from the you know rainwater, and I am just waiting to stop the rain, and I will eat not eat, yes, I can say, yes, I will eat some fruits because of I didn't eat any food, because I am on fast today, because of it's a eighth day of Navaratri. This is why I went to the temple and I am on fast. This is why am I don't eat today. I will eat only fruits. This is why it's 2 p.m. already, and I didn't anything, and I didn't eat anything, and I didn't even drink any sip of water. So I am thirsty now, and I want to drink some water, and I want to eat some fruits, so that my stomach is like my inside my stomach I feel like there is a some rats are running here and there, and I am just waking, and you can see the road, and you can see the water. You can see the water. The road is full of water, and you can see, and I will show you from the rear camera. And now you can see, suppose if rain stops, and I have to go to my vehicle. My vehicle is there. You can see my vehicle is there, and I have to go to that side. This is the steps, and I will go down to the my scooty. If I go to my scooty, then how can I go to my scooty? You can see the water. How can I cross this water? If I cross this water, my shoes would be get all wet. This is why I'm just waiting to the water should go to the drains, so that I can go without getting my shoes wet to my scooty, and I will take my scooty to return back. I will not go to my client today, because of if I don't want to go now, because it's already 2 p.m. and now it's raining, and you can see the weather is not clear now. If I go to my client and rain started, if rain starts again, what would I do? This is why I don't want to go anywhere. I just want to return to my home, so that I can drink and eat something, and I want to rest, because of it's already around 2 hours. From last 2 hours I am standing like this, because of I can't sit here, because it's floor is all wet, and there are so many people, you can see. And I feel so shy now, because of I just try to make this kinds of blog and this kinds of video, while I am also speaking in English, because of I am just practicing English speaking, so that I can gain my fluency. But when I start making these kinds of blog, and you can see the some peoples are behind me and looking at me, and I you know just saw them, and I feel so shy, and I was like, why I am making this video. And people are, waiting to go their destination and go to, some are, going to deliver some product and items, and some are going to their home and their destination, and they are, getting money through their work, and I am getting money through making these kinds of video. Then why would I not make video like this if I am making video from that kind of videos? And you can see my helmet. I didn't, put off my helmet from my head because there is no reason. There is no reason why. I don't have any reason to, put. So I just, kept this helmet on my head, and I was just hearing, pacing here and there, and I am just waiting, and I was just thinking to make this video, and I just completed my today task. So I don't think I will, make these kinds, make, I don't think I will capture myself at night, because I should not need to practice at night, because I am just capturing myself at daytime as well, because I have time. I had time always, but I have time always, but I feel shy sometimes, and I don't think sometimes to make these kinds of vlogs, and sometimes my, phone battery runs out. This is why, these are some kinds of reason. So I am, I don't make vlogs. And now you can see the weather. The weather is not clear. You can see some drops of water. Some drops of water is, dropping there, and the water level is getting, decrease step by step. Should I say step by step? Because it's getting decreased. The water level is decreasing. The water is decreasing from the road. You can see. And I saw you, the road was full of water, but now it's, level of water is decreasing. And now you can see his bike is not getting start. This is why he is, taking his bike by, on foot. And you can see some kinds of, these are the taxis, and I don't know, they are waiting for their clients, or they are waiting for, getting stop the rain. And I am also the roadside, and I am also waiting for the, stopping the rain, so that I can go to my home. And I just feel stuck now, because it's almost 2.5 hours to standing here, because of I didn't even sit a minute. This is why I feel so tired as well. And you can see behind me a electric pole. You can see the ceiling of the, flyover. And now I just want to go, and it raining is, stopping, and now I have to go now. Bye.